Today, I'm going to show you how to back up all of your Home Assistant setup. This is easily one of the best hubs out there right now. There's so much configuration that you can tweak that is bewildering. And every time I tweak something, it's possible that I will break something. So today, I'm going to show you how to back up the whole thing because it's very important. If you ever break something, you can always restore from the backup. Believe it or not, I used to back up manually, and this is how. Go to Settings, System, Backups, Create Backup. Give it a name, do full backup if you want or partial backup, and then click on Create. So the easiest is just to automate the whole thing. Let's go back to Settings, click on Add-ons, click on Add-on Store, go to the upper right hand corner, click on Repositories, add this repository in, and then click on Add. I already have it, so I'm going to click on Close. If for whatever reason you can't find it, go ahead and try Control F5 or type in the search. Start with Google and then you'll see it right here. Let's click on Install. After installation, click on Start. Click on Show in Sidebar if you want. Now let's jump to the sidebar. Click on Backups. Click on Authenticate with Google. Choose your Google account. Click on Continue. Go ahead and copy this string right here. Once you copy the string, go ahead and click on Back. Scroll down and go into this box to paste it in. Click on Save. And that's basically it. You're done with installation. Let's click on Settings on the top menu. There's a lot of options in here and I'm not going to go through them all. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see Sensor. Yeah, you can create sensors for these backups, meaning if the backup did not work, then it will send you an alert, a notification. Scroll all the way down and then click on Save. If you want, you can always create a manual backup right now by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom corner. We're not going to do it now. I'm going to click on Cancel. Let's create that automation that will alert you if something goes wrong. Go to Settings, Automations, create new automation, add a trigger. This would be a state. The entity would be that sensor, backup state. From OK to problem. Myself, I'm using Telegram, so this will be notifying my Telegram. And the message will be whatever you want it to be. Mine will be unable to backup files. Click on Save and give it a name. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to set up automatic backup straight to your Google Drive. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.